Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake yeast step by step. Dissolve 20 grams of fresh yeast in 200 milliliters of warm water, then stir in 50 grams of sugar to feed the yeast and jumpstart fermentation. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes until bubbly, then combine with 500 grams of flour and 10 grams of salt. Knead gently until smooth, cover, and rest until doubled in size before shaping and baking. Warm and friendly, this section explains mixing and fermentation clearly. After activating the yeast, add it to the flour and salt, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead gently for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes elastic and slightly springy to the touch. Place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover with a clean towel, and let it rest in a warm spot until doubled in size, usually 60 to 90 minutes. If you're enjoying this step-by-step guide, please subscribe and like to support more baking content. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for bakers on their feet all day and for long kitchen sessions. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once your dough has doubled, gently deflate it and shape it into a loaf or rounds depending on the cake style you want. Transfer the shaped dough into a greased pan or onto parchment-lined sheet, cover briefly to rise a second time, then bake at 180 degrees C until golden and fully cooked. Use a thermometer to confirm an internal 95 degrees C if unsure, then cool on a rack before slicing to preserve texture and crumb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.